Hello team and family, we're going to be solving 9 through 14, so put 9 through 14 on your paper. Here we go. Let's do this. Number 9, the average temperature in Fairbanks, Alaska in February is 4 degrees Fahrenheit below zero. Write this temperature as an integer. So I see below, circle that, maybe right over the side here, you can write that in too, below zero. So when you see below zero, think of a number line, think of it inverted, zeros in the middle, positives up top, negatives on the bottom. Whenever you think of below zero, that means in the negative, which means it's negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Box it in. That's what I'm saying when it says below zero, negative 4. Next one, number 10. The average temperature in Fairbanks, Alaska in November is 2 degrees Fahrenheit above zero. Write this temperature as an integer. So once again, here's my number line that's vertical. I put 0 here at the middle, negative on the bottom, positive on the top. When I go above, that means I'm moving up from 0. So I'm going into the positive, so my answer is 2 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's a positive integer. Box that in. The highest point in the state of Louisiana is Driscoll Mountain. It rises 535 feet above sea level. So you can think of a mountain, you can think of sea level. If I draw an inverted number line, zero's in the middle, it's sea level. When I go up, it's positive. When I go underneath the water, it's negative. So this mountain is 535 feet above sea level. So above meaning it's above zero, which means it's positive 535. Next one, number 12. The lowest point in the state of Louisiana is New Orleans. The city's elevation is 8 feet below sea level. 8 feet below sea level. Write the elevation of New Orleans as an integer. So if I put my number line vertical and I put 0 in the middle, negative on the bottom, positive on the top, I've got sea level. It says that New Orleans is below sea level. So below, put an arrow going down. It's below it. When I go down, I go into the negative, so negative 8 feet below sea level. Box in my answer. That's my integer. Number 13, Death Valley, California has the lowest elevation in the United States. Its elevation is 282 feet below sea level. Mount McKinley, Alaska has the highest elevation in the United States. Its elevation is 20,320 feet above sea level. Use integers to describe these two locations in the United States. So, I know 282 feet below sea level, as we talked about earlier. 282 feet below means, if I put my vertical number line again and put 0 in the middle, negative on the bottom, positive on the top. 280 feet below means I'm underneath 0, so I'm at negative 282 feet. And then it says Mount McKinley, Alaska, has the highest elevation in the United States. Its elevation is 20,320 feet above sea level. So I'm going to go ahead and put 20,320, and I can leave my integer as a positive 20,320 because it's above sea level. Last number, 14. Are there any integers between 0 and 1? Well, integers, as I remember the definition, integers are the set of all whole numbers and their opposites. So whole numbers are things like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then their opposites would be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So let me draw an arrow. These are integers. So when it says, are there any integers between 0 and 1? So when I circle 0 and 1, are there any integers between those two numbers? No. Integers are whole numbers. So the answer is no there, because integers are whole numbers. There's not going to be any decimals or fractions in between 0 and 1. Team and family, that's the last one over integers and their opposites.